Hello, a very warm welcome to all of you. From day one, our vision has been to redefine mobility in India through bold design, progressive innovation, and a deep understanding of our customers. This vision has resulted in something truly remarkable, the trust of over 1.5 billion customers. This number is not only reflect our growth, but also demonstrate a strong emotional connection with the families. With the standout products like the Seltos, Sonnet, Carens, Carnival, and most recently the Ceros, we have not just entered new segments, we have created a benchmark. By seamlessly integrate our global technology expertise with the insight specifically focused on India, we have built a brand that stands for bold design, advanced technology, and the purpose-driven innovation. So while developing Carens, we focused on one of the strongest foundations of Indian society, the family. So unlike in global market, where car buyers primarily come from the nuclear families, family bond in India are much stronger. There are households where multiple generations live under one roof, share a kitchen, and even use a single vehicle. So whether it's the entire family heading to the wedding or grandparents join a weekend road trip, mobility in India needs to accommodate more people and create more delightful moments together. So additionally, there is the concept of a family, a modern Indian reality where close friends fulfill the role of the family and share life's milestones. We recognize that even this family is essential to how we live and move. Despite these cultural nuances, we realize that there was no vehicle truly designed for Indian way of togetherness. This understanding is what inspires us to create the Carens, an offering born from the deep listening to how Indian families live, aiming to support their relationships, rituals, and every choice. In just 3 years, over 2 lakh families across India have made Carens a part of their lives because it addresses this unmet need. As a brand of the challenger spirit, we are constantly listening to our customers. So recently, we sensed a new aspiration for more evolved vehicle, one that combines technology, elegance, and a sense of progression to reflect the changing lifestyles of modern Indian families. This aspiration led to the development of the Clavis. I'm happy to present you the Carens Clavis. The name Clavis is derived from the Latin phrase clavis aurea, which means golden key. Today, we present Clavis as the key to the unlocking the priceless treasures of a delightful family moment together. It marks the next chapter in our family-first story, serving as a gateway to richer journeys, deeper connections, and the inspiring shared experience.